They're young, they're bright, and they're in our kitchen for creative cooking. It's the children's turn to show off their skills. And now, here's your host, Maisie Miller.
Welcome to Creative Cooking. Jamaica is blessed with very talented children. Today, Lee-Jae Gordon has joined us on Creative Cooking. Hi Lee-Jae, welcome to Creative Cooking.
Thank you.
Okay. Tell us, what school do you attend?
I attend Lanneman's Preparatory.
And how old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Really? And what are you cooking for us today?
I'm cooking corned beef vegetable roll.
Okay, it's over to you.
First, I'll start by crushing my corned beef with mayonnaise.
Okay. And that will do?
Yes.
Okay. So you have crushed the glazed corned beef with some mayonnaise. And what's the next step?
Next, I'm going to get my lettuce.
Yes. 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 Very good. What is the next step?
I'm going to put all the vegetables together into one bowl.
Okay. And that's shredded
Carrots.
Okay. I could take the bowl for you. I could give it to me now.
Okay.
What vegetable is that?
Tomato.
Tomatoes. So here you have tomatoes, you have shredded carrots and
lettuce.
Okay.
Next, I'm going to get my tortilla. I'm going to get my vegetables.
We put it right here. Oh, you're tossing them.
Yes. Place them in the center of my tortilla.
Yes. Make it neat, right? Yes. And what is the next step?
The next step is I'm going to get my corned beef,
Yes.
put it on top of the vegetables.
So let me get this out of the way. Tell me what you're using. You want me to help you with the ketchup?
Yes.
Okay, all right. How much? Tell me how much. And you have to tell me when to stop now.
Okay. Stop.
Okay.
Then I'm going to fold my tortilla.
You want to put it beside the one over there?
Do the next one.
Yes, man, sure. So you put on the next vegetables.
The corned beef on top.
Yes. And 1 teaspoon of
ketchup.
okay. What is the next step?
The next step is place them in the microwave for 30 seconds.
Okay. I think we should put the 4 of them on one tray. I'm going to come around to help you. So we have 2 on this tray. You want us to put these 2 over here?
Okay.
How many people are at home? Mommy?
Daddy,
Yes.
Imani,
Yes. And
me.
well, so it's 4 of you at home. So each person will get 1.
Okay.
All right, you want us, I can help you to step down, right? You want me to take them for you?
Okay.
Come on over, we're going to the microwave. Okay, I'll open the microwave and I'll put them in. But you have to set the time. How long are you with the microwave for?
30 seconds.
Go ahead. Okay. Now while that is being microwaved, what is the next? What are you going to make?
Mango smoothie.
Okay. What are you using in this smoothie?
Grace Tropical Rhythms and a mango. You peel the skin off,
Yes.
spoon the flesh,
In a Ziploc bag.
Put this fish in the Ziploc bag
Yes.
and put them in the freezer for overnight.
You want?
Could you help me, please?
Oh, sure. I'm here for you. So we cut and you cut. Always cut away from you. Or you cut on the cutting board. We didn't cut on the cutting board this time because we didn't want it to spill. Okay? So that's Grace Tropical Rhythms, right? In a tear pouch. Right. That's a lubricant that you're putting in the blender. You squeeze out all of it, right? Okay, thank you. What's next? Oh, you're putting 2 of them?
Yes.
Okay. Again, make sure that you cut away from you. So you make this at home?
Yes.
The family enjoys it?
Yes.
What is the next step?
The next step is I'm going to be putting the mango into the blender.
Remember now, frozen mango. So what does your mother think about your cooking skills?
It's really good.
Okay, and she's proud of you, right?
Yes.
That's not?
Yes.
Okay, I can take this spoon. Go ahead. I'll hold it for you. You go ahead. Just allow the motor to cool for a little while. So we'll start it again.
Start it.
Yes. And this is ready, eh?
Yes.
Can I? These are really, this is a simple dish that children can help to make at home.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. You want to put it over there for me? Wow, these really look good. Oh. What is the next step?
The next step is I'm going to put these on top.
Oh, your garnish. You want me I could bring it closer to you. Very, very pretty. You have made a really refreshing drink, and I suppose you could use other fruits that are in season, right?
Yes.
Very, very commendable. Boy, your mother and your father and your baby brother, I think they really would like this meal. They like it?
Yes.
Oh, very, very good. We want to thank you, the team at Grace Kitchens. We want to thank you for sharing this very healthy meal idea. Very satisfying, very filling. And the fact that you could make it, we are proud of you. Continue doing the good work that you are doing.
We hope you enjoyed today's show in our children's series. Be sure to join Grace Kitchens as they showcase the children on Creative Cooking, Mondays, 7:35 a.m. during Smile Jamaica on TVJ.